Oh, what's that, Liv? Gum? Thank you. Are you guys cooking things in there? What's this one, Mila?
It's hot sauce.
Oh, wow. Spicy. Hey, Liv. Hi, cutie. Are you in the fire truck? I can go in with you? Yeah. I could.
And your phone.
Yeah, but do you think it might be too small for me? Yeah. Or it might be too big? Andrea might be too big too. And so I think it's also too big. It's just for kids. It's for little kids.
And me.
And for you and for Mila.
And for kids.
Yeah.
And me.
Yeah.
And for kids.
Livy, did you eat a lot of raspberries and peaches today?
Yeah.
We need to wipe your mouth, huh?
Why?
It's a little bit messy.
Why?